Aldo, it's me, Stacy. Remember me? I just moved in.
Yes, of course. Hi, Stacy.
Hi. Listen, I haven't received a copy of my statement yet, and I was wondering, is there a way to get a copy of the statement without having to wait for the paper one?
Absolutely, and you won't have to wait for it. Let me show you how to use our AI assistant, HODA.
HODA? What's that?
It's super simple. Here, let me show you how to get your statement with just a few clicks. Here, text this number.
Okay.
Text HODA and say that you're requesting your statement.
HODA, I need a statement. Wow, that was super fast. I didn't even know something like this exists.
Exactly. It's all about enhancing the resident experience. HODA is a tool made for you so that you can get information quickly without having to search for it. HODA can provide you information about the community and provide you balance and transaction details, and even open support requests for my team to help you further if needed.
That's awesome. I will definitely use this more often. Thank you so much.
Glad I could help.